In today's investigation, we will examine invisible forces in the universe. Parents may need to help so that the students may be free to observe. Have students drop a flat piece of paper and a marble from the same height at the same time and observe when they hit the floor. Have them drop a sheet of paper and a crumbled sheet of paper as before. Place a few solid objects on a table, being careful not to scratch the furniture or the floor. A towel may be placed on the floor. Push them off the table at the same time as the students observe when they hit the floor. Place the same objects on a board that is held higher than the table. Tilt the board so that they fall off at the same time. Have students observe when they hit the floor. View a NASA film clip of an astronaut dropping a hammer and a feather on the moon at the same time. Cut an empty paper towel roll in half lengthwise to make 2 pieces. The pieces can be taped together if the ramp is too short. Students should tape a cardboard ramp so that one end 15 centimeters high and the other end is smooth on the floor. Have them release a marble from the top of the ramp and measure the distance the marble rolls. Have them repeat this activity with a 10 centimeter high ramp and a 5 centimeter high ramp.